what to do when your Bambu Lab AMS won't read the RFID filaments. So if you've bought a filament off Bambu Lab, it should have an RFID tag and automatically detect in your AMS. However, I got one and it wouldn't detect. So how did I solve it? At first, I selected the AMS here on the home screen of the LCD. I selected the colour. I selected edit, and it allowed me here to change the filament, and I just selected the colour. However, because it's detected it, it's not let me change it here. However, that's where I went to change the colour of the filament. But I thought, I've got an RFID, why is it not detecting it? And the reason I kept seeing online is that they believe it's a fault. However, what people were saying was all you need to do is turn your P2S off on the power supply at the back, leave it for 10 seconds, turn it back on, and it'll auto detect the RFID. Now, this still wasn't working for me, which led to frustration. However, what you needed to do is go into the settings here by pressing the little cog, then go into settings, then going into AMS options, and read filament on startup wasn't on. So I made sure this was on with a green tick, went all the way back, turned the P2S off at the back. I believe this does work on newer and older models of Bambu Lab. So I powered it off, and when it turned back on, it auto detected and went through the cycle and found that RFID filament, and it wouldn't allow me to change it then as it picked the tag up. So hopefully that solves any issues you're having with the Bambu Lab AMS when it's not reading the RFID filament. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.